friends, today we're going to make oopsie daisy. Hello friends, today we're going to make a craft for Mother's Day.
Okay, so we are using, what are we using?
Papers.
Lots of papers. Yeah, so there are so many different kinds of different colors of papers, but
Rainbow.
three are really, these are rainbow, but these three are important. So we'll start with the brown paper.
What will we do with it?
Okay, you have to put your hands like, okay, like this, and I will trace it.
Oh wow.
You can trace it too.
Tickles.
So this is Arika's hand. Arika, your hands are so tiny.
I know. Tiny.
So what?
Itty-bitty.
Itty-bitty. So what we are going to do is we'll bring blue paper.
Blue paper.
Yes. So this is kind of a sky, and put a hand over here. So this will be kind of a tree. So now we'll take the green paper.
Green.
Yes, and keep this aside.
Aside.
Put green and make a grassland.
Yep.
Okay, now this would be our hand, our tree, and our grass.
Yes. It looks all nice already.
Yeah, it does. So we have to glue it up. Let's glue it. So here we have glued everything, and now what we are going to do? The fun part. So here what we are going to do, we'll take a cookie cutter or any shape, or you can draw it just freehand like that.
Or,
It's very easy to make a heart, right?
or you can use the cookie
And
cutter.
yeah, and put your heart like this, and we're going to trace a heart
Yep.
like this. And we need to make sure that
We don't cut the top right
yes, it should be attached from the top. So that is important. Okay.
Yes.
Now we have got all the hearts. We need 5 hearts to stick on our branch.
Yep.
Okay, Arika, do you want to do this?
Yes, it's fun.
Looks so beautiful and
Yeah.
so colorful. I'm so excited to make this. Now, what do you want to add over here?
Notes.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea. Okay, so we'll be adding some notes,
Yep.
and we'll be adding some butterfly and some
Flowers.
flowers.
wrote things about my mom. So I wrote M-O-N-N-Y, mommy. Flat, pretty, cute, super, scary. She's love.
That was nice.
You're a super mom.
Thank you. And I also made something for my mom. So here's what I made. and I am sending her hugs and kisses and love. She's very, very strong and she's a super mom.
Strong super mom.
So here's what I made with some glitter paper. If you have it, it's a bonus. If you don't, this is pretty too.
Yes.
So there's one more optional thing which you can do. You can hang it
Yeah.
with a thread, turn it over and stick it like this. So this looks so cute from behind too. And here your wall hanging is ready.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.